Good morning, guys. Just wanted to let you know how to do the first exercise in this assignment. So it's Special Focus ECC. You'll probably need to print it out. I only have a PDF. And you do need to read the first part of this. There's some given numbers that we'll use, especially in this first exercise. So if you go down to electric power, it talks about like annual global consumption. But what we're going to use is 4-person household, $150 a month, and 10 cents per kilowatt hour. There's a couple of others. They base this on a population of 6.5 billion people in the world. We know that's up to 7. And then the other one is, they don't give, that I will give you, is the population of the U.S. is 300 million. So let's go ahead and look at this first exercise. So I've written by the side what's given. So number 1 is given. It says, what is your average monthly household bill? So that's $150. And that varies a little bit. Ours is about between 80 and 100, depending on what month it is. Number 2, given is how much you pay. So here it's 10 cents per kilowatt hour. And we're going to set all these up as conversion factors. If you guys remember conversion factors from chemistry, doing moles, I know that's our favorite thing. Number 3, it says calculate the average monthly energy use for your household. So we're going to take $150 a month times 1 kilowatt hour divided by the 10 cents, or $0.1. And so we do that, we get 1,500 kilowatt hours per month is how much we use. Also given was how many people are there in your household, so we have 4. And so we're going to use these numbers to do the rest of the calculations. Number 5 says calculate per capita, so that's per person, monthly residential electric energy use for members of your household. So we'll take the 1,500 that we just got here, we'll divide that by 4. So that's about 375 kilowatt hours per month for every person in the home. Number 6 is calculate the annual per capita. So how much do we use in 1 year? So we'll take the 375 that we had here, we'll multiply by 12 months, and get 4,500 kilowatt hours per year per person. Number 7, we have, it says this, we use about 1/3 of the overall electric energy consumption, and we want to know the total energy. So if we have 1/3 at 4,500, then if we multiply by 3, we'll get 13,500 per capita, so per person, the total electric energy used. So here's where, on number 8, we need the population of the U.S. Assuming this per capita average is, or use is average, calculate the U.S. annual total electric energy consumption. So I have 2.98 here times 10 to the 8th. That was what we used a couple years ago. It's now up to 300 million. So that's that number. I also converted these all to, what are they called? Scientific notation, so that we can add them easily, because before this year we couldn't use calculators. So we're going to take 300 million, or we'll take 3 times 1.35 is about 4, and then 8 plus 4. So this number is this one right here. So we just took the 13,500, put it into scientific, and then we have 4.05 times 10 to the 12th. So the U.S. consumes about 25% of the global electric power. And I'm going to move this up at this point. So here we're going to take this number from number 8 and multiply it by 4 to get the global use. So that's 16 times 10 to the 12th. So that's 1,600 billion, right? 9 is billion. Anyway, it's a big number. The population of the world is 6.5 billion. So that is 6.5 times 10 to the 9th. And then we take the global annual usage and we divide those two. So 16 times 10 to the 12th from here, and then 6.5 billion from the reading. So that's given. And then we get 2460. Where do I have 2460? Oh, rounded up to 2,500. Sorry. So they give you a little leeway on this. And then 11 is kind of, it's worded funny, I think. It says compare your calculated annual per capita for the global to the calculated US per capita. So this is our global, is the 2,500 from here. And then up here is our US, 13,500. So if you divide them this way, you get about 5.4. So we use 5 times as much energy as everybody else in the world. But if you thought of it this way, of a percentage, then you would divide it. And I thought of it this way when I was doing this, but this was the answer the book gave. So 2,500 divided by 13,500 is 18%. So we use 20% of the world's energy. So anyway, that's kind of the idea behind this. I want you guys to try 2 and 3. And if you have problems, we can always discuss them. Maybe we'll do another. We're set up to do another thing tomorrow, but I don't know. I'll send out an email to see if you guys are interested. Anyway, that's it. Thanks. Bye.